have two different styles of communicating, you know? He's the eternal optimist, and sometimes he's just, I'm starting to see a pattern where he's letting the contractor have a field day with him, and that's where you need to call me to step in, and I can put my foot down and be like, yo, this isn't gonna fly.
Right.
Don't call me when it's too late and I didn't know about it, and you're like, dude, we're 20 days over here. Like,
or Haig needs to be the enforcer. You should unleash him on the contractor because he's obviously has a different personality type, and most likely he'll get things done.
Yeah, I'm totally down with that.
all right, cool.
The second a problem comes up, call George and be like, dude, any ideas?
Yeah.
You can't fix it. Call me. The three of us, let's work on it.
That sounds like a great plan.
I want us to continue to be friends, and whether we do another project together or not, that'll be determined. But I don't want to leave this with a bad taste. And I know you're trying your best. So
Yeah,
that I know.
Are you guys ready to move forward, positive, productive, on the same level, work as partners, and finish this thing?
Yeah,
I'm 100% ready.
Joe, better communication.